Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by isolating the problem quickly. Test the headphones on a second device and with a different cable or Bluetooth source so you know it's not the phone or computer. Once done, power cycle the headphones and ensure battery is above 20% to avoid power-related dropouts. Make sure to visually inspect the affected ear cup, the charging/mic port and grill for debris. Small particles can break contact. This gets you ready for the corrective steps that actually fix connections. You now perform the factory reset to remove firmware glitches. Hold the power and volume buttons as specified until the LED pattern confirms reset. Next, open the affected ear cup carefully with a plastic pry tool. Don't force metal. Once open, identify the ribbon cable and contact pins leading to the driver. Reseat each connector by gently unplugging and reinserting. If you see corrosion, clean with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. Then let it dry before reassembling. You finish by addressing any physical faults. If a solder joint is cracked, carefully reflow it with a fine-tip iron at the correct temperature and minimal dwell to avoid damaging nearby components. Once reassembled, test stereo balance using test tones and a full volume sweep to confirm both channels work. If the channel remains dead after cleaning and reseating, replace the driver or contact authorized service. Make sure to note the serial for warranty. Troubleshooting tip: repeat the receipt and clean step before concluding service.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.